Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make call both phone or video call on Google Chat application. So the first thing that you have to do is just go find the Google Chat application by visit your app library, and then you just need to you just need to type in chat and just click it to open it. So if you can see here, there is no call symbols that you can find on this Google Chat library or room and a bit. But if you want to create a chat, you just need to choose whom do you want to call. So let's say I would like to call my friends here. So you just need to open the room chat, and you can see that in the top right corner you will see these two symbols right here. To make a call, just need to go click this square or camera symbols here, and there will be have two options. Either you want to do it chat audio or chat video. If you want to have a phone call, go click this chat audio, but then if you want to have a video call, go click this chat video. So that is the way how to make a call on a Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.